Pete the Cat has always been one cool dude, and I think it's great that we have an entire Pete the Cat library to celebrate him. Now, in this library, it's just like my others, where you click on the book and it takes you to an online reading of that story. If you click on either one of our Pete the Cat posters, Reading is Groovy or Reading Rocks, it takes you to Pete's website. They take you to different pages on Pete's website, but you can always navigate and find other exciting things on the website. And then down here, we have some items from some of his books. We've got a guitar, some white shoes, and some sunglasses. The guitar takes you to Eric Litwin actually doing a live telling of the I Love My White Shoes book. The white shoes take you to a digital recording of the song. And then the sunglasses takes you to a how to do the Cool Cat Boogie video, and you can do the Cool Cat Boogie. All right, but we're gonna read one of my favorite Pete the Cat stories together today. And I don't think it's actually on this board. And it is on this board. And one of the cool things about Pete the Cat to me is that he's not just a picture book character anymore. He has beginning readers, so level 1, level 2. You can find some pretty decent Pete the Cat books. I think Pete the Cat and the Bad Banana is one that has some more challenging words in it for our beginning readers. Also, Pete the Cat has his own television series now. It's on, I think, Amazon Prime. And you can watch some Pete the Cat episodes if you want. I really like Pete the Cat. So, without further ado, Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. Let's count them together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They had 10 when they were done. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count them again. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're missing 2. What happened? I did not eat them, I promise. I would eat cupcakes, but I did not eat these. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found a clue. Ooh, here's a clue. Gus said, "Look what I found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." Squirrel said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Oh, she had an alibi. An alibi is what you were doing when a crime was committed. I don't think taking cupcakes is considered a crime, but she still has an alibi. Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there are only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. Look at this clue. Ooh, I think this is a good clue. Pete said, "I bet it was alligator. He loves to eat." Do you think that clue was alligator? I don't think that clue looked like alligator tracks. Alligator said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs." Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. Oh, I guess this is the clue. Whoever was taking the cupcakes was short and needed a ladder. I bet it was Turtle, said Pete. I know Turtle loves sweets. Turtle said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea. Oh, look. I think we have a little bit of a clue. We see the perpetrator. The perpetrator's the person that did the wrong thing. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Wait a minute. Did I skip a page? So let me, something I've noticed in this book, we had 10 cupcakes, and then we had 8 cupcakes, and then we had 6 cupcakes, and then we had 4 cupcakes, but now they're all gone. So we had a pattern going. 10 down to 8, we took away how many? 2. Here, let me get my hands in here. And then 8 down to 6, we took away how many more? 2. And then 6 down to 4, we took away how many? 2. So we had a pattern. We were losing 2 cupcakes every time. Did that pattern happen this time? Did we lose 2 cupcakes? They said we had 4, and then they said they're all gone. No, our pattern changed, or I guess we don't have a pattern now. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. Oh, look, we have the ladder, and we have some sweets and sprinkles, and we have some feet. Should we follow the trail? I think we should. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus had solved the case. I'm so sorry. It was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate until there were none. Grumpy Toad, that wasn't very nice. Oh, you know what? Those weren't candies that we followed. Those were cupcake wrappers. We'll let candies for a second. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, but wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad that they would give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Oh, so he must have made some more. Should we count and see how many cupcakes we have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Do we have more cupcakes now than we started with? I think we started with 10. Is 16 more or less than 10? It's more. You're right. We have more cupcakes now than when we started the book. Pete the Cat's cupcake party. I like cupcakes. I kind of want to go to a cupcake party. Ooh, there's lots of cupcakes on this page. The end. I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope you have a great day. Maybe even a day filled with cupcakes. Bye, guys.